Alright, so what's up guys? Not much. Long time. It's been a couple weeks since I made a video, but I'm working on it. So got a lot of projects going on, a lot of stuff. It's been a nightmare between working on cars, helping everybody else out, but I'm coming along. So shouldn't be too long of a video. This is just an update video on where the projects have been, problems I've ran into with the Civic and everything. So alright, let's get to it. Alright, so starting out on the Civic. It's been running badly. So, all right. So first problem I had with the Civic was the fuel pressure regulator messed up on me. Turbo problems. Once again, guys, if you have a turbo car, you're going to have issues. It's just part of the game. So fuel pressure regulator messed up, number one. I had the K-tune regulator in the car. Everything was going good. The bellows ripped. Fuel went everywhere. So I said, you know what, screw it. I'm not fixing it. I'm going to go buy another one. Brought another one. It didn't work. It was an AEM one. Not saying AEM doesn't work, but something was wrong with it. Don't know. Called AEM. Couldn't figure it out. So just fix the K-tune one. We're back up and running. Lastly, okay, my biggest problem that I've ran into in the past couple of weeks is running the 05, 06 base RSX K Pro on a 0204 EP3. It does not work. It does run and drive and start the car because that's what I have been using. But when I started to street tune the car, it does not work. So I'm missing a couple sensors in the car that aren't working. So what I had to do was I basically sat down with my 0506 wire harness and my 0204 EP3 harness and basically made the harness to work in this car with the 0506 ECU because I wasn't going to spend an extra $1,000 on another ECU. I don't have the money for that, to be honest with you. So figured that out. Car's good to go. We should start street tuning this soon. So this is kind of wrapped up. The EP is wrapped up. 2, working on bike life. That's what's coming next because I've been working on the cars for a while and I need to get worked on with the bikes. So I guess we can roll over and check the RSX out and see how that car is coming along too. And 2, everyone's favorite black Integra. It is currently down. So replacing some bushings on it. I had some knocking in the rear. As you can see, we're jacked up. Working on getting the rear, but I'm just changing all the bushings out in the back of the car just because they're just old. They've been in there for like 2-3 years maybe. But just go ahead and replace them with some new ones. So RSX will be up just probably in a couple days. I'm taking my time changing everything out. 2, bike life again, building a stunt bike. So if you guys want to see Hoonigan down the highway with some change gears out and everything, so that should be fun. Got stunt gears on this thing now. If you guys want to see that, I can start posting some videos up of that. But if you don't, whatever. 2, ooh, I did this. Painted the inside. I'm still going to repaint everything on the inside here, redo this black and stuff, but got the bars hit, so we did a bronze orange. So, all right, guys, this is kind of update so far. Projects, how they're coming. 2, ooh, lifting the truck, and got some new wheels and tires coming in for the truck this week. So I guess whenever I get everything together, I'll let you guys know. So, all right, guys, later. Peace.